Welcome everyone. Today we'll be going over the LOGIX Communicator PC version, installation, and documentation. In this video we will go over where to get the install files, how to install, and then also the documentation for the communicator. We'll start off on the logix.com website. So you can open up any browser and go to logix.com, and this will take you to the logix.com website. Once you're on this website, all of the resources will be up here in the top right under Customer Resources. We'll select Customer Resources, and this is all of our support and product guide documentation. So we'll go ahead and look at the Business Voice Cloud section. We'll click on it. It'll take us down here, and this is where you'll find all the portals, video tutorials, and all the guides. So to download the LOGIX Communicator, over here on the left, there is a Download the LOGIX Communicator desktop app. We'll select that, and this will take us to the download page where we can find the Windows executable, the Windows MSI, or the Mac DMG file. And so these are the files that you will download. So in this example, we'll go ahead and download the Windows EXE. So then we will save the file in our folder. Okay. After you've downloaded your file, you'll have your EXE, your MSI, your DMG on your PC or your Mac. Go ahead and double click to start. Okay, we're going to choose English for the language. This is going to be the start screen. We got next to continue. In this screen here, this is going to be the license agreement. So read through the license agreement and go ahead and agree. We have another license agreement. Go ahead and read through that. Agree. So these are going to be the options for installation. So the first one is going to run the communicator when we start our PC. For me, I'm going to uncheck this. The second is going to be install the desktop icon. We're going to leave that checked. We do want it to install for all users, so we're going to check that box. And the very last one, we're going to install the Outlook plugin. If you do install the Outlook plugin, you'll need to make sure your Outlook is closed down, so Outlook cannot be open. You will get an error message if you try to install with Outlook open and install the plugin. All these options are up to your discretion on what you prefer, but in this installation, we're going to be installing the icon, installing for all users, and installing the Outlook plugin. Go ahead and click Next after you make your selection. This will be where it's actually going to be installed. This will be where we're going to actually install the shortcut on the Start menu. Click Installation. It will now go through the installation. Okay. Once the installation completed, it'll say Complete and have Next. We'll click Next. And it gives us the option to start the communicator right now. So we're going to go ahead and click Finished. And then we'll go ahead and start up the LOGIX Communicator ready for us to go. The help documentation, if you go to Help and Help, that will take you to the LOGIX Communicator resources page. And on this page, under the Business Voice Cloud, under our product user guides, you will find all the Business Voice Cloud guides. We have our Quick Start guide, we have our Android, iOS, and desktop user guide. So all these are the guides. So if we click on the desktop user guide, that will take us into the desktop communicator guide. And this is a guide that will go over all of the features, contacts, chat, all the items that we will go over. Once again, thank you for watching the video on LOGIX Communicator PC version, installation, and documentation.